Hello everybody. Well, you know we're still on quarantine, so I'm your quarantine cook right where you are. Okay, so what I did today, I made a sweet potato pie. And the ingredients, in case you want to make one, actually I used 4 sweet potatoes. And I have 2, and these are pretty deep dish, but I used 4 sweet potatoes, okay? Using my 4 sweet potatoes, and then I used 1 stick of butter. I used a cup of white sugar, and I used a cup of brown sugar, and I used 1 cup of evaporated milk, also, and I used 4 eggs. It says use like a half a teaspoon per 2 potatoes, but you know I use like maybe 3 teaspoons of vanilla, and I use 3 teaspoons of lemon also, and I use like a teaspoon and a half of cinnamon, and I use a half a teaspoon nutmeg. I don't like to use too much nutmeg, give it too strong of a taste. And I just sprinkle just a dab of ginger, okay? And usually put like 1 tablespoon of flour per potato. I added about 5 to 6 tablespoons because I like mine a little bit thicker. And then I did tell you I put eggs in there, right? So this is what I did, and this is how they turned out. They're nice and deep. I put them on a cookie sheet in case for any reason they spill over. And they're nice and deep. My husband doesn't like flat pies. He likes his to be full. And then also, what I added to mine, I put baking powder, not baking soda, baking powder to help it rise. It'll rise, because usually when you cook pies, they're gonna rise up, and then when they cool, they're gonna fall down. But this won't be a flat pie. Okay, and I even have enough left over to do another pie. So we have 2 sweet potato pies here. And I think my husband's gonna enjoy these. I tell you, this cooking is getting serious, okay? Oh my goodness. But you know, quarantine, I'm your quarantine cook right where you are. Okay guys, all right, have a great day.